Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to see about how CSS work and what are the basic codings of CSS. So in first part of video on my channel we have seen about HTML and what is basic HTML coding. Now we are going to see here about CSS. First we have to link CSS by this code. Link rel is equals to style sheet and the link style.css, and you have to create a folder .css. What you can name example.css, like this you can name it. Now we will add id, means now we will learn how to add properties to any element of HTML using CSS. I will give id is equals to heading. This is my first heading, so I will give heading 1. I will save it. I will go to CSS folder now. To refer heading, we use hashtag. So hashtag heading 1 flower brackets. Now we can define it. So I want it in the middle screen. So I can define it by text align center. I can change fonts. You can add Google fonts also on it. Now I want to increase the font size. So font size is equals to 25 pixels. We can write it. We can give border margin, like margin all sides. If you want margin, only type margin colon. I will give 2px and semicolon. So these are the basics. Now we have one paragraph and one bold text. So now I will give paragraph id is equals to para 1. I will give it in short form. Now in CSS we have to write hashtag para. Now I have to name border 5px solid. So we can define color in this one code only. So if I define it black, so my border, which is the border of that paragraph, will have 5 pixels solid line with it has color black. And I can give padding also. Inner padding means it gives space to all four sides. Margin means of outside. Padding I will give 2px. Now if you created so many tags, and you have to give only one property for all that tags, like bold, so many you have to get. So you cannot give a class, like class is equals to, now b means bold. I have created one more bold tag there. And I will write here second bold tag. Now I can give same class to it, like class is equals to b. Now using this class b, we can property this both element using one class. I will show you how. So we define class as dot in CSS. Dot I have defined it b. So dot b. Now we can take font weight. Font hyphen weight. Now I keep it bold, so it will be more bold. Then I can give it color also. Color is equals to, I will give aqua for example. So this you can do in CSS. It was a basic what we can do in CSS. uh, and you can use so many properties in CSS, like margin, border. There is one keyframe also. When you click on image, it gets the size becomes small, big. So many properties you can add in CSS. Text align and many, means text decoration, overflow, shadow, border, animations, so many things. So this was a basic CSS coding. We did it. Now I will show how it looks on web page. I will save both one, HTML and CSS. But this is most important. We should link it, otherwise it won't work. So because of CSS property, we can make a website look better and interactive. So this was for the end of video. Till then, bye.